The inter-school badminton competition was underway at school, and the children in the audience were cheering loudly for their respective teams.
The first round of today's inter-house badminton competition is about to begin. On one side is our school team, and on the other side is the Elite Scholars Academy team.
As the announcement is made, both the teams enter the ground. Gattu and Chinky were on the school's first team. Seeing them, everyone sitting in the audience burst into cheers.
Gattu, Chinky, Gattu, Chinky. Chinky, everyone is cheering for us. But I'm feeling really very nervous. What will happen if we lose?
Hey Gattu, why are you worrying so much? Don't be so negative. And come, let's go to the coach sir. He'll definitely give us some good tips.
Gattu Chinky, this is your first match. There will be 2 more rounds after this one. For this round, I'll give you only one tip that have a lot of fun playing. Hearing the coach's words, all of Gattu Chinky's tensions dissipates.
You are absolutely right, sir. We have practiced a lot. And we can easily defeat them. Let's go, Chinky.
Yes, let's go Gattu.
Gattu Chinky both go and take their positions. The 2 members of the other team have also taken their positions. Audience includes all of Gattu Chinky's classmates and their parents.
The match is about to begin now. Let's go!
And Gattu Chinky start playing badminton. In the beginning, they both serve very well. As the time passes by, Gattu Chinky's nervousness vanishes and they start scoring well.
Yes!
With this, the score of the first match is Team Gattu Chinky has 21 points and the other team has 20 points. And the winner of this round is our school.
With the announcement, the audiences starts clapping loudly. But just then, Hari and Goody come near Gattu Chinky.
Hurry, Goody. You two have to play in the next round. We have to win at least 2 out of 3 rounds to win. So you guys try your best to win in the next round. Okay? Play well.
Yes, if you guys win, then our victory is assured. All the best.
Yes, Gattu Chinky. And watching your match has brought confidence in us too. We will do our best.
Goody, Hari, take your positions and play well. The team that is against you is very strong. Good luck.
Okay, sir.
Goody and Hari take their positions. The match begins in no time. But Goody loses the score right.
Oh no. I was unable to serve.
It's okay, Goody. The match isn't over yet.
The match continues again. But now Goody had lost her confidence.
Oh no. I have lost one more point.
Goody, you should stop being nervous and play with focus. Come on, you can do it.
After Hari says this, Goody takes a long deep breath and starts playing with focus again. This time she plays well, but because they had lost points early in the start, they lose their match.
Our school team scored 18 points and the other team 25 points. With this, St. Thomas School team is the winner.
Goody starts crying because of losing. Seeing her cry, Gattu, Chinky and the coach arrive there.
Goody, it's okay. You played very well.
Yes, Goody. Because you missed 2 points in the beginning, you lost your confidence. Otherwise, we would have won definitely.
Gattu, Chinky, you both have to win in the final match.
Sir, we'll try our best, but the team in the finals is from St. Gabriel's Convent. What? That team? They have never lost a badminton championship till today, Gattu Chinky.
They play like they are tigers. I am very scared of them. All the best, Gattu Chinky.
Hearing all this, Gattu Chinky get very scared. Coach also notices that Gattu Chinky were scared. Okay, Hari Goody, you guys go now. And Gattu Chinky, come with me to the restroom. There is still some time before the final start.
Gattu Chinky go with Sir. After going there, Sir says to both of them,
Look, Gattu Chinky, it's absolutely true that Saint Gabriel's team is very strong. But I have a strategy to defeat them too.
What strategy, sir?
Look, the Tigers team always believes in defeating their opponents more than winning. They will deliberately play in such a way that you lose your points. That's why their opposing teams always focuses on their defense.
So, sir, should we also do the same?
No, Chinky dear, you won't win by doing this. On the contrary, today you have to play against their strategy. You have to try to make them lose scores before them. You have to attack instead of being defensive. You have to use the smash technique.
Hearing the name of the smash technique, both of them looked at each other and started laughing.
Okay, sir. Smash technique.
Let's go, Gattu. We can do this.
Yes.
Our final match is about to begin now, in which on one side is our school team, which is led by Gattu and Chinky. And on the other side is the never-losing St. Gabriel Convent team, who are also known by the name Tigers. As soon as the announcement is made, both the teams will take their positions. The other team serves first, and the match begins. As soon as the Tigers serve, Gattu Chinky begin hitting with force, shouting smash, smash.
Smash.
Smash!
Gattu Chinky do not give the Tigers a chance to use their tricks and attacks. One after another, they launch such shots that the Tigers were not able to score a point. Seeing this, everyone in the audience are stunned. Right now, the score is Gattu Chinky's team 15 and the Tigers 13.
Let's defeat these tigers. Smash.
Yes!
Then Gattu Chinky simultaneously give each other a high five.
Yes. We did it.
Score of the match is Gattu Chinky 26 and Tigers only 17. With this, our school is the winner of this year's Inter-School Badminton Championship. That is Gattu Chinky's team. Hearing this, the audience erupts in applause. Some children come and pick up Gattu Chinky and place them on their shoulders. They start cheering.
Hip hip hooray. Hip